Good morning, everyone. My name is Billy Joe Mercury, one of the Nurse OJT, and I am tasked to discuss about this module entitled Motivation. Learning outcomes. By the completion of this workshop, the participant will be able to define the term motivation, decide the essential motivation strategies to preceptorship and the learner, as well as the apply motivation strategies to preceptorship and the learner. By the definition itself, the word motivation is often used to describe certain sorts of behavior. It is a concept used to describe the factors within an individual which arouse, maintain, and channel behavior towards a goal. Another way to say this is that motivation is goal-directed behavior. It is what causes you to act, whether it is getting a glass of water to reduce the thirst or reading a book to gain knowledge. The equation which formulated the core of organizational behavior is the job performance is equivalent to the combination of ability multiplied by efforts and multiply it by organizational support. This means that individual attributes refers to your capacity or ability to perform, such as the character or your integrity. Work efforts refers to your willingness to perform, how committed are you in the job, and how much efforts you put in. While organizational support refers to the support from the organization to help you achieve your job, the environment, and structure that allows you to perform. The reason why they multiply each other is because if any factor is a zero, job performance will be zero. Therefore, it tried to emphasize the importance of every factor. Creating a motivational climate as directing. The fourth phase of the management process, which is called to be the doing phase. The goal of the doing phase is to create environment that support or is conducive to getting the work done in a way that employees are satisfied and want to contribute to organizational effectiveness. Maintaining a positive environment helps boost employee morale, retention, as well as productivity. Components includes creating a motivating climate, establishing organizational communication, managing conflict, facilitating collaboration, negotiating, as well as working with unions. A positive work environment equally prioritizes business success or organizational success and employee happiness. If you're focusing on creating a positive work environment, make sure that your company's culture includes work-life balance, unobstructed flow of ideas among employees, and management with no fear of harsh criticism and reasonable policies. Strategies to create a motivating climate. Number one, have a clear expectations for workers. Emphasizing objectives, setting expectations early, making employees accountable, give meaningful feedback, leverage motivation, and make it measurable. Second, be fair and consistent with employees. Consistency means treating all employees equally. On the other hand, fairness means treating each employee appropriately and individually based on the circumstances and contribution of that employee. Third, encourage teamwork. Key benefits of building a teamwork culture in the workplace is happier employees, ideas, innovation, and productivity. They can attract and retain top talent. Last is happy employees, which is equivalent to happy customers or client. Last strategy to create a motivating climate is to know the uniqueness of each employee. Effective management involves in adaptation and change. It's about managing to the unique needs and abilities of each member of the team. Stretch employees intermittently and realistically. Stretch goals are performance goals that can only be achieved by extending oneself to the limit. They are set to inspire growth and encounter complacency in teams. Number two, reward desired behavior. With positive reinforcement, you add a positive reward when a person is showing desired behavior. It is a proven method to help promote positive behavior in both children and adults. And last, allow employees as much control as possible. Before we end this module, kindly review the exercise number 8. Again, my name is Billy and thank you for listening.